How to know if you are blocked on Yahoo Mail. Yahoo Mail does not notify you if someone blocks your email, but you can check using this method. Open your Yahoo Mail application. Compose a new email to the person you suspect of blocking you. Write a short message and tap send. If you get a delivery failure message like your message could not be delivered or user had blocked your email address, this means you might be blocked. If your emails are sent successfully but never replied to, they might be going to spam or being ignored. Try sending from a different email account to see if they respond. If you suspect someone blocked you, try sending a message via another email, reaching out on social media or phone, asking a mutual contact if they still receive emails from the same person. And that's it. Now you know how to check if someone blocked you on a Yahoo Mail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos, and don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.